Hi there. I'm back right on time to tell you what's new in Zoho CRM in the month of April 2024. CRM users' lives just got better because you now get quick summaries of the notes in the records for a bird's eye view of things. You get an overall summary that summarizes all the notes associated with the record and a last note summary that summarizes the most recently added note. Moving on, we understand the importance of email communication, and that's why email support is now extended to the vendors module. This means you can send emails and mass emails to vendors from Zoho CRM. Users also get a send email button in the accounts and deals module, and when composing email, users will now get quick suggestions based on the contacts associated with that particular account or deal. Moving on, we have a few enhancements in the Kiosk Studio. Previously, to retrieve a child module's record, users had to create a getRecords component to fetch the parent record and a new getRecords component for the child module and set the criteria to match the lookup field connecting the two modules. But now, users can retrieve child module records easily in the getRecords component by just choosing child record from the getRecords from dropdown, selecting the parent record, and that's it. Previously, users were able to access Kiosk from the Canvas record detail page using custom buttons. Now, they can drag and drop Kiosk on the Canvas page within the Canvas window itself, and all associated users can access it. Users can now also share ZIA insights with Kiosk users by adding components like field prediction, churn prediction, next best experience, competitor mention, ZIA recommendation, best time to contact, ZIA score, and similarity recommender to a screen in Kiosk. You will now also be able to check for duplicates directly within the contacts module. Previously, only converted leads had a duplication check, but now you can directly select contacts in the duplicate check preferences dropdown and specify the unique field that has to be used for the duplicate comparison. That's all the updates for you this month. Do check them out and let us know what you think. See you again next month. Thank you.